It's a 2019 Buick Encore. This perfectly sized and nimble Encore is perfectly suited for your next adventure. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, air conditioning, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, external memory control, aluminum wheels, Buick 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and automatic transmission. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.